Hello guys, today we're going to see about how to change colors in Photoshop. So let's get into it. Go to adjustment layers, go to hue saturation, click on this icon. Now click on this color you want to change so that gets selected in it. Now drag the bar to the left or right according the color you need. For this maybe a little bit of cyan color to it. And to change the next color, pick the eyedropper, pick the tool in this and click the color you want and change the color. You can also change the saturation of it and also lightness. Here's the before and here's the after. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please subscribe, comment and like. For more tutorials, for more tutorial ideas, you can post it on comment on tutorials you need. I can make it in a very short span of time. Thank you so much.